Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Adil and I'd like to introduce this installation that we've carried out on this absolutely stunning 2018 Ford Mustang. So it's an absolute beast. It's a 5 litre. As many of you know, if you've driven the car, really puts a smile on your face. A couple of things that lack on the system that we've actually added to now. So as factory, the vehicle can be opted in with the rear camera. So what it does lack is the front view. Obviously, because of the way the bonnet is shaped, it's a little bit difficult to see what's in front of you. So what we've done is rectified that, added in a front camera and integrated that onto the existing Ford Mustang screen. Another thing we've done to this vehicle is added in a Category 5 tracker. So what that basically means is upgraded the security level of the vehicle, and it's now to the highest Thatcham approved level possible. So basically, I'll talk you through that in a minute. I've done a whole video. It's got a Mercedes GTS in it. Basically, type into Google or into YouTube, what is Thatcham Category 5 tracker? I'll explain it all in there. So first of all, we'll look around the front of the camera, so what's visible. Part of this installation was making it so it was nice and discreet as possible. So as you can see, right underneath here, you can see the little camera, which is just there. So that's actually gone into the meshwork. So we've not actually had to make any holes or anything like that. So it's all nice and discreet. And if you're looking at the car, you really can't tell it's there. So I'll show you what view you get from that positioning there. We'll just step into the vehicle. You can see the screen. So first and foremost, I'll talk you through the Thatcham Category 5 tracker that we've installed. So you get these 2 tags. These are called Atr Tags. Basically what they do is if the vehicle is started or moving without one of these 2 tags present, the driver will get a phone call. You've got a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline. This tracking system basically uses a roaming SIM. So wherever it is, it's going to pick up signal, and also you'll know where your vehicle is. There's a little application you can download as well as a demo before you proceed with the installation. It's called My Connected Car. It's on your app store. So download it and you can view all the features that you're going to get or can expect from the system. So that's basically the Thatcham Category 5 tracker. You get the 2 tags, you get your stolen vehicle helpline and your tracking base on your application on your phone. Just upgrades the security in total for the vehicle. Now we're going to talk about the reversing camera, which is the main thing on this vehicle that we've done. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop the vehicle into reverse. If you just tilt over to the screen here. So when I pop the vehicle into reverse, that's the factory display of the rear camera, okay? So that's exactly what you get. Nothing's changed in terms of that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put it into drive, and the way it works is basically all you have to do is press the OK button for 2 seconds, and you get your front visual image. As you can see from this, the display is actually showing the number plate at the top and then the ridge at the bottom, giving you enough view to see exactly what's in front of you, and so you can get a lot closer to the curb, and also make sure you don't hit those little fins that are on the front of the vehicle as well. So, and then basically you flick it back by pressing hold OK, it flicks back, and then that's everything. So a really easy to use system. This has all been installed within 1 day, so a phenomenal system. It really highlights all the missing features that the car has, and it just shows that it can be added in. You can't see anything, nothing's visible at all. That's why we always believe that you should trust a professional installer, even if it's not us. Get your install carried out by a professional installer. It's very important that they're FitAS approved, that they've got accreditation, so make sure you check that out as well. For more details on this, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. We've also got a reversing camera page, and then we've also got a Protect and Connect 5 page, so you can see all the tech specs on how it's all going to work and everything. So thank you very much for watching our short video. For more information, please do give us a call or check us out online or on social media. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.